Hi, and welcome to your daily belly dance break. I'm so excited you decided to join me on this journey. I'm Vanessa, and I will be guiding you through this process. Now, I encourage you to mark down some times throughout your day that you will be doing these practices. You could pick just once a day or more if that is available to you. The important thing about practicing regular movement breaks is that we practice them regularly, ideally daily if that's possible for you, and if not, a few times a week. Again, scheduling these into your calendar has actually been shown by research that you'll be more likely to do them, so I highly encourage that. If you want to do a longer break, you can also watch the videos back to back, and that is totally fine. Now, one of the reasons that I've decided to create this program in this format is because so many of us sit for really extended time periods nowadays. We spend so much time behind the computer and doing our work, and research has shown that this is actually extremely hazardous to our health. It increases the risk of all sorts of diseases, and this increased risk is completely independent of other risk factors such as smoking or a really unhealthy diet. And really, the best and only way to mitigate these risks is by getting up and moving regularly. And if you're someone that goes to the gym for an hour every day after work, but you sit all day, that actually does not reduce the hazards of effective sitting. It's not how long you move, it's how often you do it that really makes the difference. So I encourage you to mark your calendar and have fun with your daily belly dance breaks. Here's a little snippet of what you'll be learning.